Yo guys, what's going on? So today we're getting a new mod done on the C63. So what we're actually doing is a Starlight roof inside the car, but the interesting part to it is that my car has a double pan roof inside, so it's going to be going around the edge, as you can see here, around the edge of the whole car. So it's going to be something a little bit different. It's just going to, I think, if it comes out well, really brighten up the interior. I've got my boy Mohib, he's going to be doing the installation. He's got a bit of experience with it, so I would be hopeless if I tried to do it. So he's going to be helping me out with doing it. We're going to see how it comes out. So this is the roof at the moment. So we'll get an after shot, full comparison. But this is the interior right now. My car's currently in pieces. We had to move it across closer because the extension cable is needed to feed all the lights in. But yeah, my car's currently in bits. All the roof line is out, so obviously the fibers get fed through here. You've got to spread them out nice and evenly. That's why you've got to know what you're doing, otherwise not anyone can do it. That's why I've trusted Mohib to do it. So they're going to essentially feed through all the around the edge of the pan roof, so it'll just give that nice effect when it's all complete. But yeah, looks bare naked right now. I just had to move it with the roof down as well, which was solid, as you can imagine. But luckily I had the reverse camera, so that helped. But yeah, let's crack on. So now we're feeding those optical fibres in one by one into the roof, which will obviously come out underneath as the Starlight, as you can see there. And the remainder of it gets cut to sit in the roof. And you put some glue on so that it sits properly. It doesn't move out because people tend to touch some stuff when they're in the car. Yeah, my car's looking like a mess right now, but hopefully when it's all done it's going to look a lot better. The front end's coming along nicely. We've put quite a lot in just because there's not much surface area to cover. So the parts that we do have, we're filling them up heavily with all the Starlights. Underneath, it's all kind of hanging out at the moment, but they will get cut, made neater again. So yeah, we're into the night now. It's like 8 o'clock. We've been working at the same time. I feel like I'm doing a graveyard shift. Literally, graveyard shift now, but we're having some progress. Still completely out of place, but this is now hooked up to the main light box. They are the twinkle effect ones, and this is how it's looking at the moment. Obviously we've got all the wire, we're cutting some of the wires now just to clean up a bit, but it is coming together. Probably gonna be here for the rest of the night, to be honest. We've got this whole side to do on the other side, and we've got all the back to do. Luckily there's a pan roof which cuts out the whole of the middle. Front whole panel's done, they just need cutting, and then yeah, 11:30 and we're still going. We're feeding all the cables back into the car, into the back of the car, so we can connect it up to the fuse box. I mean, the whole roof's done now. We just need to get the wires through. You can see they're all in now. And then we need to obviously put the car back together. And then we're done. It's been at it for 11.5 hours now. Probably going to be here, I reckon, another hour and a half. So yeah, total about 13 hours. Not being able to take it out of the car with that in a simple way is probably what's prolonged it so much. But we move. So this was the final result. It's finally done, and it actually works so well with the car, honestly. I can't believe how good it looks. It's just completely changed the interior, the way it looks, everything. The way it complements the white seats as well, it just kind of shimmers off them. The pan roof in the middle when you're driving, it's just like you're in a spaceship, honestly. It's unbelievable how good it is. They change colours as well, it's all app controlled. But the main thing you have to be absolutely certain of is that you're installing it right. If you place these wrong, you don't get them done properly, your panels don't go back in, then it's going to look stupid. We're not offering this through our service, we're based in Manchester, but yeah, DSG Accessories is going to be doing this. It just looks stunning. The colours change as well. I'm going to show you a different shot of a different colour now, just so you can have a look. Just look at how it complements the car. Like the white seats just completely change it. You need to have it done properly. This is like with a beigey kind of white colour. You can change it to whatever you want. It's all app controlled. But you have to ensure it's done properly. If it's not done properly, it's going to look stupid. Yeah, that's installing Starlights in the C63. I'm absolutely buzzing with it. I don't regret it at all. I think it does just change the interior for me, along with the Apple CarPlay, which has gone in now as well. Since I've had to do this video in bits because we had to finish off the car properly and stuff, but along with the Apple CarPlay, there's a new steering wheel coming. The Starlight roof, it's just changed the interior completely. When you look at it, it's just complete game changer. It's amazing. My favorite color is definitely purple on it. But yeah, if you like the video, please like, subscribe and share. Take care. Goodbye.